Hi, welcome to mathematics. In this video, we want to factorize 2x raised to the power 3 minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. And then, after, we find the zeros. Let's say solution. We have our equations. Let's say we have f of x equals 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. So let's look for the factor of x to make this f of x equals 0. We will have, let's test first. If you look, you see that we can have minus 1 to make this equals 0. So let's see. So let x equals minus 1. So we have, if you substitute this here, x is equal to minus 1, we have 2, then minus 1 cube, minus 3, minus 1 square, minus 3 times minus 1 plus 2. So we'll have this equals 2 times minus 1 raised to the power 3. We have minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 square. We have 1 minus 3 times minus 1 plus 2. So if you expand, we have 2 times minus 1. We have minus 2 minus 3 times 1. We have minus 3 minus 3 times minus 1. We have plus 3. Then we have plus 2. So we have minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3, that is 2. We have 2, okay, minus 2 minus 3, we have minus 5 plus 3, we have minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, that is 0. So you can see this is equal to 0 when we substitute x will be minus 1. So since f of x, so which is f of minus 1 equals 0, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. So we have to divide our original equation by this. So our original equation, which is 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. So let's perform a long division here. We have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Then we have the factor here, which is x plus 1. Now, look how I'm going to divide this. We have to divide 2x cubed by x. So we will have 2x squared. So we now use this to multiply out this. We have 2x squared times x, we have 2x cubed, right? So then 2x squared times 1, we have plus 2x squared. So you now subtract this. If you subtract this, we have 2x cubed minus this. This will give us 0. So we have minus 3x squared. Then minus times plus, we have minus. We have minus 3x squared minus 2x squared. So we have minus 5x squared. Then we have minus 3x and plus 2. So again, because we have to divide this until we arrive at 0. So again, we have to divide minus 5x squared divided by x. So we have minus 5x. So again, we use this to multiply out this. So if you use to multiply, we have minus 5x times x. We have minus 5x squared. Minus 5x times 1, we have minus 5x. So again, we subtract this. Minus times minus, that is plus. We have minus 5x plus 5x squared, minus 5x squared plus 5x squared. That will give us 0. So then again, we have minus 3x plus 5x. So and that will give us 2x. Then we have plus 2 here. So again, we are moving. We still have 2x plus 2 here. So we divide 2x divided by x, and that will give us plus 2. So we use this to multiply this. So we have 2 times x. We have 2x, right? Then 2 times 1, we have plus 2. Plus 2. Also, we have to subtract them. We have 2 minus 2, that is 0, plus then 2x minus x, that is 0, right? So this is equal to 0. Like I said, we need to perform the division operation to this point. So where we will have 0 remainder. So therefore, we have 2 x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals, so we will now have the product of this and this. We have, let me tell you, this is 0 is called remainder, and this is called dividend, and this is x plus 1 is divisor. So we have these factors will becomes the product of dividend and divisor. We have 2x squared minus 5x plus 2, then multiply by x plus 1. So you can see we have reduced the cubic equation to the product of quadratic equation and linear equation. So we will have this to be equals when 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals, to factorize this, you have to multiply this and this together. When this and this, if you multiply together, you're going to have 4x squared. So now you have to look for two factors in which when you multiply them, they will give you 4x squared, but when you add or subtract them, they'll give you minus 5x. And the product I think we can use there is minus 4x and minus x. If you multiply minus 4x times x, you get plus 4x squared. But minus 4x minus x will give you minus 5x. So we have to replace this minus 5x with minus 4x minus x. So let's see. We have 2x squared minus 4x minus x. Then we have plus 2 already. Plus 2, then multiply by x plus 1. So now this will have this to be equals, we have to factorize this as well. So we have 2x squared minus 4x. Then we have minus, what is left here, x, what is left here, minus 2. So we have this, then we have multiplied by x plus 1. So we will have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2 to be equals this. Now you observe that we have 2x here. We factorize 2x out. Then what is left here? We have x minus 2. So if you have x minus 2, here as well we have minus 1, and we have x minus 2. In my previous video, I said that you have to take note of this and this. So what is there must be the same with what is there. But here again, we have x plus 1. So we have this, we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals, Let's take the one outside here. We have 2x minus 1. We have 2x minus 1. So the one inside we have x minus 2, and we have x plus 1. So x minus 2. So these are the factors we have. So and this, you can now say this has been factorized. So if you answer the first question, the second question says we should find the zeros. So to find zeros, polynomial, we will have, remember, the factors we have are 2x minus 1, x minus 2, then x plus 1. They are equal 0. So now we have 2x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. From here, we have, we transfer this here, we have 2x equals 1. Then if we divide both sides by 2, we will have x equals 1 over 2. Or for this one, we will have x equals, transfer minus 2 here, we have 2. Or then here you transfer minus 1, here we have x equals minus 1. So these are zeros polynomial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can you like and leave a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and network. Do well to also subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my next video. Bye.